Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. I'm so excited to start teaching my new students. And what I'm going to do now is to explain how to join my classroom. Okay, if you are on your laptop, you open your Google browser, right? I want to minimize this. I click here, for example, and I open my Google browser. Once I'm here, you have these dots here. Okay, you can log into your account. That's my email address. You write your password. Everyone knows this, I know, but just in case. Log on with your password, and if I click here or here, I'm going to see the different options that Google has to offer. If you scroll down, you're going to find at some point that you have Classroom here. So every time you are going to be on your desktop, you can do it this way. If you're going to use a tablet or a phone, you would have to download this app onto your device. Okay? Basically, I created a classroom for my dear new students. Okay? As you can see here, is called English for Beginners. Okay? And I put speaking because I'm going to start speaking to you, basically. Okay, there are two different ways of registering for this class. One of them is that I can invite you as I already did. Okay, I put here people that I wanted to join my class. And just fast because I don't want people to see your names. And you would have received in your email inbox an invitation to join the class. Okay, if you manage to access the class, then you will be able to see the things that I have already published in the classroom. This is the information form that I already sent to some of you. Okay, sorry I closed that, but it doesn't matter because I can open it again. Okay, it's not going to let me from here. When this happens to you, go onto Google Drive, and from Drive, it's going to take you straight onto Classroom. Click here to go to Classroom. If you went into your email inbox and found the invitation, you click on the link and you will access the classroom straight away. If you didn't manage for whatever reason, here is the main board where I publish stuff. I normally do that by topics, and so I decided to put a couple of very simple vocabulary tests so that you can start familiarizing with vocabulary, and then some diagnostic tests that I use at the beginning of the year to ask you simple questions and get you talking, because that's what I want. If you want to say in a more organized way, you need to click here onto classwork and you will find that by topics. Okay, this is just the beginning. I will put a lot of more stuff in there. And if you continue having any kind of difficulty, don't worry, because I can send you the code. In fact, I'm going to show you now. You can always use this code. Let me read it out loud for you. RL3YHWO, okay, to access the class. For you to do that, if you can't do it with the link, please let me know and I will send you the information you need, okay?